Dobra, there's the background which I have right here of me. It's a little cooking set. It's for measuring and they different sizes. And I'll literally show you how to use them. They're literally so cute. So they come in different sizes. And that's how they look. So we have all the sizes here. It also has a little hook so you can literally attach it anywhere so you don't lose any of the pieces. It's pretty big, which is literally great. I'll show you how to use it. You literally clip it and then you press it on the sides and then clip it. Very easy as well. So that's how the foams look themselves. So as I said, different sizes. I'll most likely use this size so I can cook my favorite thing. It's also very easy to use. The handles are amazing. It's stainless steel, which means they're not gonna literally rust. So you can wash it as long as you want, use it in the kitchen, which it's simply amazing. You can use it and put it in dishwasher as well and it will be perfectly fine. But this is simply amazing. I already showed you how to use it. It's one of the best things I ever tried now and definitely will be one of my favorites in the kitchen now. It's also not so expensive as well as I expected. The price, amazing, quality, beautiful, and how easy it is to use. 100%, it's very easy to use it and I literally recommend it to everybody. I couldn't say anything more about it. It's a great, amazing product and very, very amazing to use as well. It's simply great and I recommend it to everybody. It's an amazing